welcome back. I just wanted to show you my latest project I picked up. This is a 1974 CB350F. I'm going to give it a wash today, see how clean we can get it. It hasn't been on the road. Last tag 2013. It's missing the side cover, so I stuck a 750 side cover I had laying around on there. And missing a key, like always. I always find these bikes with no keys. A lot of grease and stuff, grime. 22,000 miles. Touch is a little sticky. Upside down Clubman bars. Yeah, I call this one Purple Rain.
Purple rain, purple rain.
Reminds me of Prince's bike back in the 80s. Anyways, let's get down to it. Super clean degreaser diluted with water in this spray bottle. Anyways, we're going to spray it down with some engine degreaser. Just really soak the bike. The bike came from the Oregon Coastal Range, so it sat in a shed, and there's still salt in the air, so it's kind of rusty. Crusty inside, no battery. Get that cleaned up. I want to do a video on me getting the bike running and seeing if it will run. So after this, we'll do that. So stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll start posting more videos here. Been very busy. There you go. Should be good. For old time's sake, do the gauges and stuff. Up in there too. Look at that bird's nest, or rat's nest, mice nest, whatever, one or the three. Get that blasted out of there. Who knows what the air filter looks like. Probably should pull the tank too, just to get under the engine as well, or under the tank. Just sitting on there, I think. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Looks pretty good. Nice and soaked. Okay, I'm gonna run the pressure washer with some hot water from the washer and dryer, just to get that oil to just come on off a lot easier, I think. Okay, I'm just using a little Ryobi brushless pressure washer, 2300 psi. I just purged the cold water out of the hose, so I'm going to be running the hot water from the washer, and that's my key ingredients to getting the bikes clean: hot water and some super clean. Okay, I got some super clean wheel cleaner. This stuff looks pretty good, so these wheels are going to need a lot of this, I think. Get that on there nice and evenly all over.
Both sides. And front back. Then we can scrub it. And then we'll blast it off the pressure washer.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and blast this with the pressure washer.
Those carbs are all greasy.
Not bad. Looks pretty clean actually, the filter there. Keep that back on there. nice and clean. The wheels came out really nice. The chrome shiny again. The hubs are nice and degreased. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next video. Will it run? Purple Rain is its name. See you next time.